we came. Got the greasebox.com, got the grease box here. So as you can see, my problem here is every time I take my cover off of my Traeger, this bad boy falls. So I got a bunch of grease right here. You know, this thing is junk, especially when I'm going to be driving around. I need something that I can mount better than just this little tin. So I got a hold of Greasebox and they sent me this out. So let's go ahead and get it installed. I'll get it out of here. All right, let's get it installed. Looks like pretty easy. Much better. Pretty easy instructions. Maybe just a couple of screws and a couple other things. But yeah, it should be pretty easy to install. Well, let's get into it. Got me a nice sticker. The original grease bucket replacement for wood pellet grills. Nice. So it does work on all kinds of different grills. Well, I have a Traeger. So. Very nice. Oh, I got a nice little note on there. It says, "Thanks, Jesse. Happy grilling. Hope you enjoyed this grease box. Look forward to working with you and putting it to use. Send pics." That's very nice. So I know the owners, they're twins. I'm a twin too, so pretty cool. Much better.